Sari, the timeless traditional attire of India, is not just a piece of clothing but an embodiment of grace and culture. Over the years, the sari blouse has undergone significant transformations, evolving from a simple supportive garment to a canvas for artistic and fashionable expressions. One of the most crucial aspects of a sari blouse that has garnered considerable attention is its sleeves. The design of sari blouse sleeves plays a pivotal role in elevating the overall look of the ensemble. In this video, we will explore the latest sari blouse sleeves design trends that are captivating the fashion world. Hey, my name is Hiba and you are watching Stunning Designs by Hiba YouTube channel.